guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing that unit that I had bleached and fixed the knots on. And today we are using a new product, the boho lace jelly. I heard a lot about it. We're just going to get into it. So you're going to push your lace back. You want to make sure you wipe your alcohol off any oils, because I did put powder and everything on her, as you can see on the lace, so it got onto my forehead, so I can use alcohol. On the instructions, it says use a small amount and you spread it around your head lightly. I actually put a little bit of extra on my sides because I have oily skin, and my sides are usually the first that are hard to put down and that to lift. So next step, it says partially dry, so I just used some lashes packs to partially dry it. Then I pressed it to see if it was still wet. It was, so I partially dried again. Then I'm going to press the lace onto where I applied it at. I did not measure it, guys. So I use a comb to go ahead and slick it back. And then the next step, it says, is to blow dry it warm or hot. My setting does not have a warm, so I had to do it hot. So I was just pressing it down and going back, making sure I do not burn myself. After that, it says tie it down for at least 5 minutes. I do it for 20, and then here, voila, this is what it looks like. I started to cut the lace off, and it looks very nice, you guys. I'm going to see the places that I did not get to put the gel on, so I'm going to go ahead and push that back. And then I'm going to repeat the steps. So I'll go ahead and take the boho lace jelly, and I put it around the perimeter, the small amount. And make sure the lace does not touch the gel yet, because we have to partially dry it before we put it down. So you go on ahead and partially dry. Then I'm going to press it down with the back of my comb and my fingers. And make sure your fingers are not oily, because you want it to stick. I'm going to use the blow dryer again. And I'm going to go ahead and do the sides, because like I told you, it is hard for them to stay down. So after that, it's what it look like. And look, it melts, if I do so say myself, honey. Yes, okay. Move over, Gots2B. Okay. So I'm going on ahead, I'm finishing up the last side with the blow dryer. And this is the end result. And I'm going to tie it down for another 20 minutes. And we're about to come into the results. Bam! Look at that lace laid, honey. Yes, I did pluck this unit, and I did put baby hairs on it. I did not show you guys, but I do have some details, so I want you guys to hear. I did do the little pull test, and as far as the hold, yes, it is bold to tell, because it ain't moving. It is stuck. So, but I ain't gonna pull too hard, because this is the gel and not the actual glue. But I would suggest this. I do think that it is beginner friendly. And just one more time so you guys can see. This is on there. I wore this unit for 2 weeks straight, so I had to reapply it 4 times. I will say, if you're going to go somewhere hot and you want something that's going to hold quick, I would suggest you get this. If you're just looking for something that's glueless, temporary hold, you can either use this or the Gots2B, to be honest. I did get some great looks with this. I am also looking for other products to use. So if you have any suggestions, put them down in the comments below. I thank you for watching, and until next time, deuces, y'all.